Why we love Anna!
Anna is very warm-hearted. Cookies for everyone!
Anna is kind, professional and very beautiful.
Only the best words, only the warmest words to you. Reliable, respectful, responsible. I can say much more. Real friend, real partner.
Anna has a strong power, just like Baltimore.
Anna, you are extremely friendly, dedicated, and very articulate.
Kind, passionate, and honest.
It gives me, I think, a mixed set of feelings. I think both happiness and joy that Anna is actually going back to stay with her family and near and dear ones in the US, and little sadness because there are very few people who influence the business so much and influence all the people around them so much. And I think Anna, you've been very strong, very caring, and I must say a fantastic team player.
Anna is professional and honest for everybody.
Anna is a real American with a deep and mysterious Russian soul.
Very caring, highly professional, and also big brand love.
And she's really exceptional.
Anna is the mother of Calve, building more than 100 million major business in Russia.
So I will remember Anna for all her great stories that she told me of her time living for 20 years in Russia.
She has the passion not only for food, but also for beauty.
I will remember Anna for her open-minded approach and her readiness to help you every time and everywhere.
For being my best PD partner.
You were the custodian of Calve when it touched $100 million. You have helped craft the new food strategy for Russia. And finally, you are the longest serving foreigner in Unilever Russia.
She has a passion for people. She grows and nourishes talent.
Good memories, especially back to 2000s, when we all were developing this category in Russia. You remember Harry Potter, salad dressings, meat and fish sauces, and of course how we celebrated our success.
She's probably the only one director who really knows IBM.
I will always remember Anna as an extremely pleasant person and sincerely caring boss.
Anna is a really Knorr soul and mind and guardian.
I think everybody in the team will remember you for the common spirit that you brought in the foods team and all the good work that you actually put in what should be a good platform for the future, and all the years that you put into this category and people around this place.
And we wish Anna too.
I wish you, Anna, to have the time of your life, to see the world, a lot of health, and please always remember your team. We will miss you greatly.
Enjoy happy time with family and people you really love.
I wish that when you are back with your family, you have a great life ahead of you, and I wish you peace, prosperity, joy, success and happiness. Thank you.
Travel as much as you want, without any teeny budget restrictions.
I want to wish Anna all the best in this new chapter of her life. So, Anna, be healthy, happy, wealthy, and stay in harmony.
Endless holiday. Start every morning with champagne and keep Russia in your heart always.
Annachka, I wish you to enjoy your new life without Unilever, and let continue to be a part of our food lovers team.
Anna, wish you all the best. Be happy and don't forget about us.
I wish you lots of health and an amazing time time after Unilever or without Unilever.
My wishes to you, I want you to spend great time with your family and contribute to society. And the second thing which I have for you is be an ambassador for Russia wherever you go. Wish you all the best.
To end your fears.